都係覺得自己嗰啲象棋好玩過國際象棋啊！嗱，我都係啊。咁我嗰時仲以為咧係因為我冇學過國際象棋，咁所以咧就我唔中意玩啦，即係少玩啊嘛，少玩就唔敢玩，你驚一陣間即係玩唔到啊咁樣。咁我自己啲象棋我都唔係叻，咁但係都叫做玩過，都知道咧係要點玩咧，咁我都覺得好玩啲。咁而家你兩樣棋都有學，你都覺得係自己嗰種象棋好玩啲咧，咁可能真係或者係唔同玩法咧，即係國際象棋始終係國際性啊嘛，咁可能咧佢係要求佈局啊，或者係係啦，啲佈局多啲嘅。自己嗰隻象棋咧，我覺得咧就好似係你就陰人嘅，即係睺對方疏忽唔為意，你其實已經就嚟將軍嘅啦，佢都唔為意，咁佢淨係為咗保護，即係保護得前面咧，佢又保護唔到側邊啦。原來側邊咧你已經有隻車咧喺遠方咧就謀住嚇，咁你個帥咧將軍咧唔可以移過側邊嘅。咁但係咧，因為佢前面又另外揾隻或者豹或者馬嚟食你咧，咁你為咗救前面呢隻咧，你又可能移一移個帥啦，係咪？點知咧一移就唔掂啦，或者話咧你犧牲咗前面嗰隻，咁弊啦，咁又少緊隻左右手啦咁樣，即係我覺得係咁樣多啲咯嚇，你覺得係咪啊？係啊，嗱，咁呢個棋咧，目字邊咧就我哋捉棋玩棋嗰啲棋啦。咁點解話世事如棋咧？你估下嗱，你而家知道咩叫世事啦？即係世界上發生嘅事就好似一盤棋咁樣，或者話好似我哋捉棋咁樣，咁即係咩意思啊？係咯，即係點解咧？冇錯啦，就係世界發生嘅事好似一盤棋，我解咗俾你聽，你字面咁解啦。咁即係實際嘅意思係咩咧？即係將世上發生嘅事咧，就係比喻成一盤棋。好啦，咁你諗下呢一盤棋其實正常捉棋係為咗乜嘢？即係當然為咗娛樂啦。咁但係娛樂裏邊你其實想點啊？即係捉嗰盤棋，你最終你係想點㗎？贏啊嘛，但係未去到最後你都唔知邊個贏喎。你明明睇見到，哇！明明咧就我啲兵馬多啲啊，我啲即係兵馬多啲啦，即係明明你咧已經俾我知道咧，即係剩翻可能都係一隻將軍啊，或者甚至一車一馬冇晒其他嘢㗎啦。但係咧去到最後咧，竟然因為你疏忽咧，你俾佢原來佢將到你即係佢將到你軍。會食到你個元帥，你都唔為意喎，係嘛？咁呢啲都係人生啊，因為人生有時就係大意啦，有時就或者係驕傲啦。你聽過驕兵必敗未啊？驕兵即係驕傲嘅嘅士兵，就必然會打輸仗啊，打敗嘅。有冇聽過啊？係啦，咁即係人生都係咁噶嘛，即係唔知你阿爸阿媽有冇教你要謙虛啊，唔好驕傲啊，因為驕傲就會出錯啊咁樣，有冇啊？或者聽啲老師啊咁樣教你啊咁樣，咁所以我哋做人要謙虛咧，就係避免咧你就大意啦，驕傲大意就會疏忽啦。咁明明對方咧，即係譬如嗰盤棋咧，明明咧好似咧我贏硬㗎啦，下一步咧我就食到個將軍，點知問題未去到下一步，呢一步佢已經咧就係扭轉個棋局啦，佢已經可能咧就睺你唔為意咧。其實咧已經咧企定咗個位咧，係可以食到你嘅元帥啦，你都唔知道喎，係咪啊？或者佢已經食咗你隻車先，嗱咁變咗咧你就原本諗住隻車下一步就食佢將軍嘅，咁但係咧而家唔得啦，咁變咗咧就扭轉咗局勢。咁即係人生係咁噶嘛，有時你明明即係我哋話未去到最後咧，都唔知道邊個會贏邊個輸，邊個係即係鹿死誰手都唔知。你有冇聽過鹿死誰手啊？鹿就係一隻鹿啲死即係俾人殺死啦，誰手即係邊個隻手，即係話邊個最後殺到隻鹿，即係話邊個贏都未知嘅，得唔得啊？係啦，即係世界發生事咧，就好似盤棋咁。譬如話而家美國啦咁樣，上一屆明即係一路都喺度顯示就阿Trump會贏嘅，係咪啊？咁點知到最後唔知幾多個鐘頭之內咧，好似一晚啊，即係半夜之後啊，就到第二朝啊，突然之間就成個局勢扭轉啦，就係不斷都係Biden嗰啲票啊，Biden贏出嘅州啊，咁最後就係其實總票數都係贏嘅，不過以州嘅數目嚟講咧，就係輸咗啦咁樣，咁所以。咁呢個咪世事如棋啦，係咪啊？明明好似一路打到臨尾去到嗰晚都預備慶祝㗎啦，即好似再上一屆阿希拉里都係咁啊嘛，佢已經喺佢舉辦慶祝嘅地點咧，已經係等緊慶祝啊，等緊宣佈最後結果，但係臨尾就宣佈佢輸咗，記唔記得啊？你可能 即係8年前你仲細啦，即係希拉里嗰段，但係Trump 4年前唔係係啊，未夠4年前啦，差唔多啦，咁你就好有印象啦，應該仲知道發生咩事係咪啊？係啦。係啦，譬如話平時你打波都係㗎，明明我哋領先好多分嘅，啲突然之間咧佢就跟住之後咧就不斷咁攞分咁樣就最終就贏咗，咁樣呢個就係好似你捉棋咁樣，真係講唔埋邊個會贏，同埋咧就係譬如話你而家就算唔係你唔小心，你明明睇見呢個局勢咧，你係應該贏嘅。但係咧，原來咧佢比你更有智慧，佢已經作咗多部署咧，佢已經引誘你咧，以為咧你一定會贏，或者引誘你咧就係深入敵陣啊，引你入去嗰度，就以為咧我咁樣行就冇死，點知原來佢要另外有隻象啊，或者乜嘢咧，就喺度 hold 住你㗎啦。咁咧你都就俾佢食咗啦，或者即係有時你唔為意喎，即係啲兵仔卒仔。都可以食你嘅喎，係咪啊？咁你唔為意啦咁就變咗就無端呢個局勢就轉變咗，咁所以咧就係世事如棋，即係比喻人生咧就好多變化未到最後咧就唔知邊個贏到輸，所以唔好放棄。即係如果正面講咧就唔好放棄，或者話咧你唔好驕傲，或者你咧就唔好當自己咧一定係贏硬，咁所以你要謙虛。咁亦都可以講咧，就話唔需要灰心即係可能有變化嘅，可能下一步咧就扭轉乾坤咁咧就你咧就啲好嘅嘢就會嚟啦。所以你而家唔知㗎，即係未去到最後宣佈選舉結果，你真係都仲未知邊度會贏嚟咁啊！世事如棋，好啦，咁開始啦喎，聽啦喎。If we pronounce in to be ill, what happens? It becomes this word. 我嘅 means my or mine. 你嘅 means your or yours. You know how to count from 1 to 10, but can you say Monday? Surely this earthquake come from God, and He knows that. He can just leave, okay? Now, God save. Do you want your opinion to be heard instead of ignored? Sometimes you find difficulties expressing yourself. It seems no one wants to listen to you or take your words seriously. This may affect your studies, work, relationship, and even psychological health. Have I ever come across difficulties expressing myself? Sure. But I never hold back from presenting my thoughts, because I take difficulties as challenges and force for strengthening myself. So never mind if you have difficulties expressing yourself, just keep learning, practicing, and talking. Never give up. Have you ever dreamed of being a keynote speaker? I'm not yet a famous keynote speaker, but I've been in the talking career for over 30 years, teaching, training, and preaching. I love expressing myself, inspiring others, and communicating with people. Why not start as a self-talk or monologue in the training, where you won't feel stressed to talk in front of the audience? Sharing your ideas can be an interflow with yourself or other people. It can be easy, relaxing, and fun. Let's come and talk or learn how to talk in a relaxing, effective, and inspiring way. Overcoming your defects in communicating, you will have a life full of self-respect, joy, fulfillment in your studying, working, relationship, and gain a successful career. Join my channel membership as my premier diehard fans to get a link for the private chat room for the training. You'll find the barcode for the membership of my channel in the thumbnail photo in the description under my video. So just scroll down when you see my video. Under the description, you'll find it. There are other exclusive member perks and more training for the membership. Link will be sent to you once you join and email me. And then you can find my email contact below. So see you. Hope that we can learn together, grow together, and talk together. Never mind. Just talk as you like, okay? Just express yourself, or you just want a listener. Let us talk and let us listen person to person with me, okay? If you don't want to join a group. So just let me know. Just join the membership. See you. Bye-bye. Dear Oz, I thank you so much that you would like to join my membership. Not only subscribe, next step is to join my YouTube channel as a supportive friends, premier friends, or diehard friends. There are different perks, different benefits for different levels. Just join any level of them. And of course, some levels will give you more privacy to exclusive access to my training, teaching, and all other services. I would like to see you to join any of these levels in my membership program. My services covers a lot of areas, including languages learning, personal growth, public speaking, and biblical services, teaching, and counseling, even healing. I'm sure that any one of them will suit your particular need and will be in your...
好鍾意廣東話。
如 Jenny 老師真係有心教咗我，我而家就有多啲自信去同其他人講廣東話啦。
我好鍾意廣東話，我想學好廣東話，我想學識點同親人講廣東話。
Miss So reconnects me to my Chinese language and culture. Learning Chinese again has made me feel whole and complete as a Chinese person.
我鍾意廣東話。
你好啊，我係Eugenie，我嚟自香港，我已經有超過20年嘅教學工作經驗。我嘅學生包括小朋友、中學生同埋呢一個工作人士㗎。我唔單止可以用廣東話同埋普通話，甚至英文嚟到教本地人士，亦都可以咧係同外籍人士交流，讓佢哋最熟悉嘅英文嚟到去教導佢哋中文、廣東話或者普通話㗎。如果你已經學識咗少少廣東話或者普通話，而想喺當中去進步，無論喺讀、講同埋寫方面都可以進步嘅話，都冇問題㗎。總之用你最舒服嘅、最熟悉嘅語言，用我最熟悉嘅廣東話、普通話同埋英文，我哋一齊嘅喺呢個平台上邊交流學習，無論係中文定英文，我都好希望能夠可以同大家見面、同大家交流。希望好快見到大家，拜拜。